Some supporters of the Yoruba activist Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, and journalists were barred from entering the Court of Appeal Ibadan Division. The case centered on an appeal filed by the federal government against the judgment earlier delivered by an Oyo State High Court on September 17, 2021. The court had awarded a cost of 20 billion naira against the federal government on what it called unlawful invasion of Adeyemo's house in Ibadan, where some people were killed by agents of government. Correspondent Kulujo reported that at the resumed hearing of the appeal, supporters of Adeyemo arrived at the premises of the court but were prevented from entering the court for the sitting scheduled for 2 p.m. The development led to tension in the axis as the supporters accused the security men attached to the court of violating their fundamental human right. Security men equally prevented journalists from covering the proceedings as they directed to stay outside until the court granted them permission to enter the premises. Security was beefed up within and around the court premises while the proceedings lasted for about 4 hours. Speaking with journalists after the proceeding, counsel to Sunday Adeyemo, Yemi Aliu San, said his client filed a motion against the appeal, which was extensively argued during today's proceedings.
You know, we had a preliminary objection that we filed that caused some legal arguments the last time. But what we did was we amended our respondent's brief to bring in a preliminary objection, and it was accepted by the court today, and the appeal was argued. We argued the appeal, and the appeal was adjourned for judgment on a date to be sent to us by the court. That's what happened today. We argued the appeal.
The case had been adjourned for judgment to a date to be communicated to the councils.